dragon's nap. Echoes in the caves where shadows trap. Elrond wandered through Middle-earth. Feet on the path, knows his worth. Under starlit skies since his birth. Searching for truth, digging through the dirt. Dwarven doors, rooms carved in stone. Goblin scheming, treasure unknown. Mystic realms with seeds of song. Magic of the ages, his heart turned to bone. Trail of light through the forest deep. Whispers of the past, secrets they keep. Over rugged hills where the wild things leap. Wading through rivers, memories to reap. Meeting travelers with stories to share. Tales of valor, treasures rare. Swords clashing, wolves in their lair. Echoing the songs carried by the air. Elrond wandered through Middle-earth. Feet on the path, knows his worth. Under starlit skies since his birth. Searching for truth, digging through the dirt. Dwarven doors, runes carved in stone. Goblin scheming, treasure unknown. Mystic realms where the seeds are sown. Magic of the ages, his heart turned to bone. Trail of light through the forest deep. Whispers of the past, secrets they keep. Over rugged hills where the wild things leap. Wading through rivers, memories to reap. Meeting travelers with stories to share. Tales of valor, treasures rare. Wading through lovely hills where the wild things leap. Wading through rivers, memories to reap. Ancient scrolls and maps, bag full of secrets for her elven caps. Mountains high with the dragons.